Alright guys, so I got like about maybe 1,500 miles on the motor right now. So what I'm going to be doing today is taking off the wheels, checking out all the bolts, everything that I loosened up, just double check on them. The more that I break in the motor, the more comfortable I get with it. So I also want to clean it up a little bit. So far everything is good, no complaints. Probably tie this up right here, get away from that clutch. Oh, and I also want to take care of this little problem right here. I'm gonna let the car cool down, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna redo the valve cover. I'm gonna be putting some silicone, oil resistant, and yeah, maybe I should do it tomorrow. I'm not too sure because I gotta let it dry for a good amount of time. Well then, would you look at that, bro? What? Yo. No. Bro, what the fuck? Oh my God, bro. Oh, yo, that would have fell down there, bro. What? Yo. Well then. Yo, I am lost for words, bro. Crazy. Lucky me, I guess. Alright, so caught a couple of things. This bolt for the subframe was kind of loose, tying that up. The traction bar, one of the 17s on the other side, on the passenger side, was loose. But I tightened that up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, oh yeah, you guys can see it from right here, down there, but just show y'all. You see it somewhere there, those 17s. So I tightened that up, cleaned up the block a little bit, try to see where the leakage is from. Then I probably tighten the traction bar up right here, try to see if this is not loose. And after that, pretty much just change the valve cover. Well, not change the valve cover, silicone it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Probably gonna lift up the back too, check out the back. I haven't checked out the back in a while. So yeah, let's get to that. So this is something that I got for the car. I could say, I don't know, as soon as I got the bumper. But I haven't had time to actually put these on. So today seems like a good day. Not bad, huh?